Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming to KW Fort Worth on Wednesday, January 11th, and this is Real Estate Re-Energized with Remine. This is going to be a session from 9 to 11 a.m. This is going to be a 2-hour CE certified course. Bring your laptop because it's going to be a hands-on workshop on Remine. I'm going to show you all the things that you have at your disposal with Remine, which is very powerful items, by the way. And I'm going to show you how to tie this into your business and third-party applications to take your real estate business to new levels in 2023. So join us Wednesday, January 11th, KW Fort Worth. Breakfast is included. You can join us on site. It's a $20 fee to join on site and get breakfast, get the training, get everything you need. There's also a Zoom option, and then there's a bonus option where you can get the recording. So that way you can refer back to it at a later date and have all the information at your fingertips. So if you want to check this out, all you got to do is click on the link below and we'll get you signed up, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday, January 11th at KW Fort Worth. Thanks.